Double. Let's skip the channel guide for now. Please tell me the phone number on your account, including the area code.
I don't have one.
Sorry, I didn't get that. Please say or enter the phone
Customer
number.
service rep.
Sorry, I still didn't get that. Using your phone keypad, please enter the 10-digit phone number on your account. Or, if you're a new customer, just say new customer.
New customer. Oh.
You said new customer. Is that right?
Yep.
Okay. Would you like to sign up for service, send a radio signal, or get help with your radio?
One.
Sure. Hold on while I transfer you to listener care.
Oh.
Well, guys, what we're dealing with here is...
Thank you for calling XM. My name is Ed. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to sign up for your XM Sirius, whatever it is, Sirius or XM radio, whatever that may be.
Okay, so congratulations to your radio and welcome to XM. So do you already have the radio?
Yes, I do. Yep, I actually have it installed and everything. All I have to do is get you guys to send the signal, or allow me to get the signal.
Okay.
Activate it.
Okay, so can you please provide to me the radio ID number?
The, I'm sorry, the radio ID number?
Yes?
Where would you find that? Can you find it on the box?
You can check it on channel 0 of your radio.
Channel 0 of my radio.
Yes?
Oh. Okay. 1 second, please.
Not a problem.
Yeah, I don't really know how to use this thing, but I know the model number.
Okay. You got the radio hardwired on your vehicle.
Yes, it is.
Okay. So can you please try to check the box of your radio and check for the radio ID number?
Yes, the XM radio ID number is HK8ZE2WL.
Okay, so it is H as in hotel,
Yep.
C as in kilo, 8, V as in Victor, E as in echo, 2, W as in whiskey, and L as in Lima.
All is right except for the W as in whiskey. No, it's H as in home, K as in kitten, 8, 7, Z as in zebra, I'm sorry, E2WL. Yep, so everything's right except for that letter after the 8.
Oh, it should be Z as in Zulu.
Yes.
Okay. So let me go ahead and try to validate that radio ID number.
Okay.
So you bought that radio on a Best Buy, is that correct?
How did you know this?
Because when I try to validate it, I can see here, where did you purchase the radio?
Oh, jeez. I thought you guys were tracking me already. I was nervous.
No. So, for me to set up an account for you, can you please provide me your email address?
Yes, my email address is germs. That's G as in George.
You guys
E
can't
as
see
in
that.
Elephant, R as in Robert, M as in Michael, Z as in zebra, 21 at hotmail.com.
Okay. And how about your phone?
Yes, my phone number is 860-819-9657.
And your name, please?
My name is German, like the language. G-E-R-M as in Michael, A-N as in Nancy.
Okay, and your last name?
Is Melendez, that's M as in Michael, E-L.
Yep, my buddy's here trying to get his XM radio working. Just finished wiring up
as in
and...
zebra.
Melendez.
Correct. Yep.
Okay. So, German, I will now create an account for you here with XM. So just give me 1 quick second, okay?
No problem.
Tell him you want Sirius.
Okay, so
What the
you
hell?
need to put here your personal information.
Okay.
And how about your zip code?
My zip code is my 06040.
06040. 040, and that is in Manchester, Connecticut.
This is correct.
And how about your street name?
Yeah, it's Sycamore, SYCAM as in
Get
Michael.
LED.
O.
Yeah, we get
R-E.
LED.
Okay. And your house number is?
Yeah, is 51 apartment B, as in boy.
51. Okay. Apartment.
B, as in boy. Yep.
Got it. So it's 51 apartment B, Sycamore Lane, Manchester, Connecticut.
Correct.
040.
Correct.
Okay, so German, I already updated your account here.
Okay.
I already created an account for you here with SiriusXM. So all we need to do now is just to put a subscription on your radio and then get it activated.
That sounds great.
Okay. So German, if you are a new subscriber here with XM, my suggestion to you is to try our new package here, XM All Access.
All right.
XM All Access will give you all the premium channels, including the Western Martial Sport, NASCAR game, and NASCAR race, and NFL. And you can take advantage of the subscription.
Oops.
With your computer
Horn blows as a driver.
or even your
LED.
And you only for $199
Alright guys, that's it for now. Got lots of shit to do and
All right, and that.
gotta go fix the bike. Broke the cable on it. You guys will see that. See you in a bit. Bye.